Ready to get cooking? No matter what space you're working with, the compact Kasori Light 4-quart smart air fryer fits right in. All it takes is a touch of a button to get started. Then you can monitor from anywhere in the house. Built with the latest technology, a thoughtful design, and easy cleanup, cooking just got more colorful.
Setting up a Brita Premium filtering water bottle is easy. Rinse your new filter vigorously under a strong stream of water for 15 seconds. Insert the filter into the straw and twist the straw into the bottom of the lid. Remember to replace your Brita bottle filter every 2 months. Now thoroughly rinse out your new bottle, then fill it with cold tap water. And enjoy great tasting water without the waste.
This is the Smokeless Indoor Grill, the latest innovation from Philips, the global leader in kitchen appliances that brings the best of the outdoors inside. At the flip of a switch, you can have authentic grilled flavor and taste right in your own kitchen. The secret is Philips' innovation of dual infrared heaters on both sides of the grill that stay at a perfect temperature of 446 degrees, combined with concave reflectors that focus heat evenly across the entire grill, even at the edges. So there are never any hot spots, no flare-ups, just consistent temperature and even browning across the entire surface of the food. And here's why you can cook inside with virtually no smoke. Below the heating element is an always cool drip tray. When oil, fat, and grease drip down, it doesn't hit a hot surface that would normally cause it to splatter, smoke, and smell. Instead, it is captured below the heat, so there's virtually no smoke. Just true grilling inside that delivers healthy, delicious, perfectly grilled food every time, just without the smoke.